Bonjour and welcome to Short Stories in French by HFF. To download the transcript to this episode, head to patreon.com/shortstoriesinfrench by HFF. Read along whilst you listen and see the English translation. There are also questionnaires and bonus learning materials. Let's begin! Talking about your job in French. When discussing your job in French, you'll often use both the present tense and the passé composé. The present tense is used to describe your current job and your responsibilities. Je suis avocate. I am a lawyer. Here, we're describing the current state of employment. Je me spécialise en droit des affaires. I specialize in business law. This sentence describes an ongoing aspect of the job in the present. The passé composé is used to talk about past experiences or achievements in your job. J'ai obtenu mon diplôme de droit en 2015. I obtained my law degree in 2015. Here, we used passé composé because this is a completed action in the past. J'ai fait un stage dans un petit cabinet d'avocats. I did an internship in a small law firm. This sentence uses passé composé to describe a past experience. Often, both tenses are used together to give a complete picture of your professional life. Je suis avocate depuis que j'ai obtenu mon diplôme. J'ai commencé dans un petit cabinet, mais maintenant, je travaille dans un grand cabinet international. I have been a lawyer since I obtained my degree. I started in a small firm, but now I work in a large international firm. Je suis avocate depuis que j'ai obtenu mon diplôme. J'ai commencé dans un petit cabinet, mais maintenant, je travaille dans un grand cabinet international. Key phrases for talking about your job. Present tense. Je suis. I am. Je travaille comme. I work as. Je me spécialise en. I specialize in. Mon travail consiste à. My work consists of. Passé composé. J'ai étudié. I studied. J'ai travaillé sur. I worked on. J'ai acquis de l'expérience en. I gained experience in. J'ai relevé des défis. I took on challenges. In the next episode, you will hear a story about a girl talking about her job. Thanks for listening, and if you enjoyed it, please leave a review on Spotify or Apple Podcasts. Au revoir!